everything got settled, then I told everybody. Then everybody was giving. पहले से ही था. Now I was not able to just justify. Sorry, नहीं पहले से नहीं था. बहुत पापड़ देखने पड़े फिर जाके हुआ है. But जो भी है. So anyway, it was really great time. Means great experience to work with your would-be. Of course, we had a lot of time together, and we could understand each other better. Rather, previously I was not knowing that much. Previously, I used to think that she is Dumbo. She doesn't know anything technical. But when she came and she started working, really, it's not that I used to feel she may not be able to get the things around. But no, she has done quite well. I would say very good. And best of luck तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's always there with you. So nothing. Okay, अभी बहुत है तेरे बारे में. Okay, Lavanya. So these days, few days before only, I had coordinated with her through offshore. So actually, that time it was not good time to coordinate with offshore. Already so many issues are going on. Not that happy to coordinate. So I just wanted to make sure everything is proper. Because basically offshore nobody knows about the modules which I because I have not done any coordination also as such. As others people will be there, me and Upendra hardly had a coordination. So that time I was very much keen. I gave the inputs in such a way that please I want this way only. Specific, I was very specific. And the kind of delivery I got, it was really great. So there was no other alterations I had to do. Only thing is some BA changes only, otherwise no other alterations. So technically I really loved the way you coded. So no doubt about your technical knowledge. So it reminded me Shruti. Shruti was also very intelligent as far as technical things are concerned.
All chappus are like that.
All chappus.
Oh, except.
Not Bhati chappus.
Best of luck for you. Shrikant is a sweet innocent fellow. He has just now shifted with me. I'll make sure.
He also will go, innocent also will go.
He's innocent go off. But anyways, he's a good guy. He's also learning quite well. He's also coordinating few modules. So these days he's quite loaded. But anyways, I'm sure he'll be able to go for next heights and all heights. So very best of luck. Anyways, no need to say much about you. We'll be meeting every night. Don't worry. Then Super D. He's also like, he came first time. I felt he's very cute. Seriously. He's so cute. He started living with me and it reminded me how I was in engineering. He is always in hurry. And that I have noticed about you. You just don't be always in hurry. So one day one accident happened in our home. Sound system something I don't know. But this Ravi Verma told me. Anyways, but personally he's a very nice guy. The way he talks, that Choppu accent, I love that. I don't know about technical and all, he will be handling groups here. But anyways, it's a good attitude you are having. Best of luck. Trivendra, I hardly know about you, but you must be a sweet guy. You have always smile on your face. Best of luck for your future. Vikram. He's a schoolmate. We are there since 5th standard. So we always been together even in colleges also. Of course, he is also very techy guy. He knows so many things, Java and all. Very dedicated, like towards whatever he thinks that he wants to get it. He'll be surely working towards it. He'll be setting the goals. And a very good friend of mine. We have had a lot of good parties. No need to tell everything, but still, really had good time. I'll be surely missing him at least because if he doesn't really move from here, I'll be like he used to be in my room only.